This is the order you need to apply your skincare products if you have a retinoid in your skincare routine, like retinol, retinaldehyde, or even prescription tretinoin. You need to apply your products in this order so that you can get results without side effects. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, known here as the Budget Dermatologist. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel for more skincare made simple, and come say hi on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. They saw the step-by-step routine first. So let's get something straight first, okay? Retinoids are the gold standard for both anti-aging and acne, so chances are you fall into one of those categories and can really benefit from this ingredient. When I use the term retinoid, I am using it as an umbrella term that includes both prescription and over-the-counter forms of vitamin A derivatives like prescription tretinoin, retinaldehyde, which is over-the-counter retinol, or even pro-retinol. While retinoids are the gold standard to give you the best results for both aging and acne, they can be very difficult to tolerate and cause a lot of side effects like irritation or retinoid dermatitis. This can look like redness of the skin, dryness, burning, stinging, irritation, flaking. But with this routine, I am going to help you minimize all of these side effects because it really depends on all of the other products you are putting on with it and what order you are applying them. So let's get started. This is going to be your nighttime routine because that is when you need to be using your retinoid, when your skin is in its repair mode. Step one, let's cleanse our skin. If you are wearing makeup, I recommend a double cleanse where you are first starting with a cleansing balm like this one. This is by Geek and Gorgeous. I'll link this in the description. This really helps loosen up makeup, even waterproof mascara, waterproof sunscreen, remove it from your skin. Then we follow that up with step two, which is a water-based cleanser. The one I recommend is by Vanicream. It's the Gentle Facial Cleanser. This is perfect for retinoid skincare routines because it's a very simple formula. It's great for all skin types, especially sensitive skin, which your skin can be sensitive once you are starting a retinoid. I'm going to show you another option really quick for cleansing your skin. This has taken my double cleanse to a single cleanse and really sped up my own routine. This is what I've been using a lot lately by CeraVe, the Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser. So I use this to remove my makeup, wash it off my skin, and then I don't have to do any other cleanser after this one. I wear light makeup and it works very well for that. So I'm going to link this one below too. Now, once you finish cleansing your skin, you want to pat dry, then you can move into an optional step in your routine, step three, which actually is something you can add in to help reduce your irritation that you can get from retinoids. It will strengthen your skin barrier and make you better able to tolerate this ingredient with less side effects. It is red light therapy, actually. You know, I use this mask by Cure. So red light therapy can reduce the inflammation on your skin, improve your hydration, and strengthen your skin barrier. Of course, it also can boost your cellular processes to speed up wound healing if you are getting any irritation from your retinoids. And bonus, it boosts collagen production in your skin, so even better for anti-aging. This one also has a blue light setting too. So if you are using your retinoid for acne, this still is a great addition as a step three in your skincare routine. So I'll link this one below. That's your optional step three. I like to do this before I apply any other skincare products to my skin. Now we are moving on to step four, which I love to incorporate a hypochlorous acid spray to the skin. I use the one by Prequel. This is called the Universal Skin Solution Dermal Spray. This is a really great formulation at a great pH and a super affordable price, even better than many of the other popular ones out there. I just do a quick spritz over the surface of the skin. Hypochlorous acid is not just a great treatment for acne because it's antimicrobial and can kill that acne-causing bacteria, but it also reduces inflammation on your skin and can help rebuild the microbiome of your skin and strengthen your skin barrier, which are all very important things when you are putting a retinoid, which is irritating, on the skin. And now we are moving on to step five. This is the start of what I call the sandwich method. And I love to recommend this order of skincare products when you are first starting a retinoid, you are new to this ingredient, or if you just have really sensitive skin. This technique can really cut down on the amount of irritation you might get from retinoids when you start this in your routine. So step five, we are adding a layer of moisturizer to our skin first. The one I recommend for retinoid routines the most often, in my opinion, it works the best, is the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. I love this one because it contains niacinamide, which is also helpful for reducing inflammation on the skin and strengthening our skin barrier, but it does not have hyaluronic acid in it, which is actually really hard to find a moisturizer that doesn't have that in it these days. But hyaluronic acid paired with a retinoid can theoretically pull it deeper into the skin and increase your risk of irritation. So I love this specific moisturizer to pair with retinoids, and that's your step 5, a nice layer on the surface of the skin. Now, step 6 is another optional step if you want an anti-aging eye cream in your routine. This is where I would do that. The one I use, you've seen me talk about it before. This is actually my splurge product in my routine. It's a little bit pricey, but it's really worth it. I have a whole video on this. I will link this if you want more of a deep dive of why I splurge on an anti-aging eye cream. This is by Medicate. It's the Crystal Retinal Ceramide Eye 3 is the one I use. It comes in mini strengths. It's really good for preventing crepey under eye texture, crow's feet. So that is what I would apply in my step 6, and I'll link that below. Now, step 7 is the fun part. We are finally at our retinoid product in our routine. So whatever retinoid you want to use, this is the part in your routine where I would put it. If you have acne, I really strongly recommend Adapalene. The brand name for that is Differin. That is an over-the-counter product that is specifically made and targeted for acne treatment. It's amazing. That is the step you would put it here. Step 7, for anti-aging purposes only, I strongly recommend a retinaldehyde form of retinoid. That is what I use and really recommend the most. It's the strongest one you can get over the counter without a prescription. It has to only undergo one conversion once you put it onto your skin to convert to retinoic acid, which is like tretinoin, the prescription form. Studies also show that retinaldehyde works 10 times faster than retinol, and it gets way less irritation than your prescription strengths, but you still get great results with it. And that is what we are applying on step 7, a retinaldehyde. I have a few of my very favorite retinaldehyde products here. I will link all of these below. The Aven Retinol 0.1 Intensive Multi-Corrective Cream. This actually got a new look recently, which I've shown you guys on Instagram. This is even better for sensitive skin now. It's updated its formula. It's an amazing product. It comes in a couple strengths too. So I will link this one. A longtime favorite of mine by May Love, the Moonlight Retinol Super Serum. It has 0.11, I think, percent retinaldehyde in it. So it's a good dose, but it's a really hydrating formula. So I love this for mature or dry skin types, or if you just want extra hydration in your skin. This is such a nice feeling product on the skin. I will link that in the description. And one of my newer discoveries this year is by Geek and Gorgeous, their A-Game Retinaldehyde. I love this product because not only is it very affordable, but it comes in several strengths. And you know how I feel about products where we can choose what strength we want, or we can kind of ladder up as our skin adjusts and get used to it. So this is another great option. I will link this in the description as well. And that is your step 7. Whichever one you're using, you want to use essentially a pea-sized amount, dot it over the entire skin surface and blend it in. If you're using a serum, 1 dropper full for the face. And step 8, we are back to our moisturizer, and that is the sandwich of it. So it's a moisturizer layer, then your retinoid, then another layer of your moisturizer. That is really going to temper or cut down how much of this retinoid is penetrating your skin when you are first getting used to it. Now, once you are doing this routine for a while and you are not getting any irritation or side effects, you can drop the first layer of moisturizer and go directly to your retinoid, and then just put 1 layer of this on top of your retinoid product. Step 9, if you want to treat your lips and get some good lip repair going overnight, I have several recommendations. One I've been using for a very long time is by the Inkey List, the Tripeptide Plumping Lip Balm. This is the clear version. It also comes in several colors. You can wear this during the day as well. This has peptides in it, which do a very good job of repairing damaged lip skin, which is a common side effect that happens when you're on retinoids or just aging and dry skin in general. Another couple options for a lip repair product at night that are amazing. The Aven makes a Cyclofate for the lips, or you can try La Roche-Posay Cycloplast for the lips. And I will link both of those in the description as well. And then step 10, another very optional step, but I get asked about this all the time. So if you are looking to grow or strengthen your brows and eyelashes, the last thing I do before I go to bed is apply a lash and brow product. The one I'm using lately is by The Ordinary. It's the Multi-Peptide Lash and Brow Serum. So you just go right into your brows with this, and then right over the lash line, kind of like an eyeliner type of thing. I will link this in the description below as well. If that wasn't enough steps for you, I actually have another kind of hack or product or step really that you can try to improve your skin's skin barrier, the strength of your skin barrier, and improve your chances of being able to tolerate a retinoid or even leveling up to a stronger retinoid and being able to tolerate that without irritation. So this is the interesting product that I have seen and tried lately. I've been trying to test it out myself. I really actually like it. It's by AO2 Clear. It's this pouch of water, and it comes with a dish and these sponges. So what's different about this product is it has only 2 ingredients. So it's great for my really sensitive skin, rosacea prone skin people, or somebody who just has really, really damaged, inflamed skin barrier, or somebody who wants super, super, super clean products without many ingredients in it. This has only 2, distilled water and billions of oxygen nanobubbles in it. These are so small, 1,000 times smaller than your pores, so it really can penetrate the entire skin surface and just flood the skin with oxygen. This oxygen can kill acne-causing bacteria on your skin or other harmful microbes, so it really can improve acne without irritation, but also it can reduce inflammation, improve your skin barrier strength and hydration, and improve your skin's ability to tolerate other harsh actives that you want to get on your skin to treat signs of aging, acne, and other skincare concerns. I'm gonna link this in the description with my discount code for the 30-day bundle, the 60-day bundle. I think you can get for a bit of a discount with my code. If you wanna try it out, you can use this up to twice a day. I would put this on my skin directly after I cleanse. So pat dry, then you take just one of the sponges, place it in the dish, you completely flood it with this solution, put the cap on quickly, and then you just take the sponge and saturate your face so it's drippy with this water, and then just let it air dry, and when it's a little bit damp, you can continue on with the rest of your skincare routine. So just something different we can try if our skin is really struggling and we don't want to just add more harsh actives on top. Give this a try. I'm gonna link that below too. Now remember, we don't need to do this routine every single night to get results. In fact, I really don't want you to do that because I am a strong believer that you need nights off to rest and reset your skin barrier. You actually only have to use a retinoid 3 to 4 times a week, and you can get results that way. On nights that you are taking a break from your retinoid, I really love to recommend the skin barrier repair product. This one is by Aven. It's their Cyclefate. Another option would be by La Roche-Posay. They have a Cycloplast that's very similar to this. Or if you want something super cheap, you can just use diaper rash cream, like a zinc oxide barrier cream, and that can work as well. But this is probably the one I use most often. And you really want to get a thick, white, pasty look on your skin. You really want to channel your inner dermatologist at the beach and really get a thick white pasty layer over your skin before you go to bed at night. And when you wake up in the morning, your skin barrier is going to feel so nice because this does the most incredible job of locking hydration into your skin and helping your skin barrier reset and repair while you sleep. You can do this several nights a week, and I'll link this below as well. So if that sounds a little too complicated of a routine for you, let's dial it back, okay? Let's focus on just the essentials to get you results without side effects. That would include cleansing your skin. You have to make sure all of the makeup is off, then a layer of moisturizer, then your retinoid, another layer of that moisturizer to complete your retinoid sandwich, and that's it, okay? You don't have to do all of these other things, although they are options for you to add in that I think can speed up your skin recovery and boost your results. But again, if you want to keep it simple, which I will never fault you for, just stick with the cleansing and your retinoid sandwich, and you will still be doing the most. If you guys have any questions about this routine or about retinoids or really anything, just leave a comment below. Come find me on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. I post daily content there. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.